Okay, so I've got all 21 resources in my resource sheet. And then I look at the fact that some of these resources work different days and different hours from the project calendar. And so I need to customize the calendar for certain resources. All of these resources, if I look down this column here called Base Calendar, have been given a copy of the standard calendar. So if you originally set up your project calendar to reflect the days and the working hours of most resources, you'll have very little to change. But with the case of bartenders, they work unusual hours, so I'm going to click on bartenders. What I can then do is choose the project tab in the ribbon and change working time. Alternatively, you could double click bartenders and change working time here. When I go to change working time, I can see that they've got a copy of the standard calendar, and that is Monday to Saturday, 9 till 12, 1 till 5. But I want to change the days and the hours that the bartenders work. So I'm going to go to Work Weeks, and I'm going to click the Details button. What I can then do is choose Monday to Sunday because they work 7 days a week, and set the days specific working times. Now they don't start at 9 a.m, they start at 12 p.m. midday. So I'm going to click on 9 a.m. and press F2. I'm then going to get rid of the 9 and put 12 and replace the A with P, and that's 12 p.m. They then go till 5 p.m. So I'll click on 1 p.m, press the function key F2 and change the 1 to a 5, and then click away. The best thing is to keep the format that you're given. If you're given 24-hour format, stick with it. If you're given this format, stick with it. Don't take out the whole entry and enter it. Otherwise you have to follow the exact syntax that's there. And that's why I'm just editing these values. 1 p.m. needs to be changed to 6 p.m. So I'll take out the 1 and put a 6. And 5 p.m. needs to be changed to 11 p.m. So I'll press F2, take out the 7 and put 11. And you must click away so that it knows you're done before you go OK. When I click OK, what I can see now is they work Monday to Sunday, and if I click on any particular day, I can say they're working from lunchtime till 5, an hour off for dinner, and then from 6 to 11. And I'll click OK. And OK. If I want to change the cleanup crew, what I'll do this time is I'll choose the Change Working Time button on the Project tab in the ribbon. If I click this option, I need to this way ensure that I'm viewing the calendar not for bartenders but for the cleanup crew. So I'll choose Cleanup Crew in the drop down. And notice every resource is listed and every resource has a copy of the standard calendar. If I choose Cleanup Crew, I can see they're also working 9 till 12, 1 till 5, Monday to Saturday, and they don't work those hours. So I'll click Work Weeks at the bottom and I'll click Details to the right. The cleanup crew actually work Monday to Sunday also, and I'm going to set the days to specific times. They start at 9 a.m, they go till 12, they have an hour for lunch and come back at 1, but they don't finish until 6. So I'm going to click on 5 p.m, press F2 and change this to 6, and click away and click OK. And now I can see they work Monday to Sunday, and if I click on any particular day, they work from 9 to 12 and 1 till 6. So for each resource that works outside of the project calendar days and times, you'll need to change that resource's working time and days. And I'll click OK.